Alright guys, welcome back to K10 Custom Builds. Just have a quick tip for you guys today. You can see this is a floor of a K10, and if you're wondering what pieces you need to get to replace them, including this semi-elusive inner panel here, these are the part numbers. That's for the rocker panel. This panel right here goes on the inside of the rocker panel. It doesn't have a sticker on it, so just look for inner rocker panel. This is the little sub support here. That part number, this goes inside of it like that. Make sure to save your old one because I don't know if you can get new ones of these. It just fits in there like that. This is the inner panel I was talking about right here. It goes in there like that. It's called the footwell. Is probably why it's not very easy to find. A couple part numbers there for you. Then of course you need the complete floor. This is part number for it right there. Anyway, if you found this helpful, actually wait a second, let's go look at the other side. Here the other side is. See, it's looking real good. Got it all spot welded up in there. Inner panel's looking good. As you can see, of course, you're gonna have to cut a few little pieces to go in the sections where the panels don't meet it perfectly. Got one right there, and then another one back there. That's to be expected as these are made in future China, also known as Taiwan. Anyway, it's looking good. Got the outer cab corner on there too. Oh, here it is. Never mind. This is actually the cab corner right here. You can see that's the part number. All of these part numbers I'm showing you are for the right or the driver's side, so the left side. That cab corner goes on there. Coming back over here. You can see it went on in there real nice. It's relatively close. You can see there's a little bit of a dip right there. Put a little Bondo, fix that. Right back here, had to shave it up a little bit. We're gonna finish, I don't know, maybe one more spot weld or something right there. Not sure. But it's all looking good. It's all coming together. By the way, getting the floor out of these takes around 2.5 hours, somewhere around there. Putting it in takes another 2.5 hours. It would probably be faster if you know what you're doing, but since this is our first time, it's taking a little bit longer. Anyway, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe to K10 Custom Builds. Kig out.